Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Capcut and tapping New Project, then import the clips you want to merge. Pick them roughly in sequence. Once done, you can drag clips to reorder on the timeline. Make sure the project resolution and frame rate match your footage to avoid quality shifts. This initial ordering reduces extra trimming later. If clips differ, Capcut will still merge them, but matching settings now avoids resizing or frame interpolation during export. Next, trim and arrange clips so the flow feels seamless. You can pinch to zoom the timeline, then use the handles or split tool for precise trims. Once trimmed, drag clips until they snap together to remove gaps. Make sure snap is enabled for clean joins. If you want softer changes, add short transitions between specific clips. However, keeping most cuts direct preserves pacing and avoids distracting viewers. Review playback to catch awkward. To finish, tap Export and choose resolution and FPS that match your project. This preserves quality. Once exported, play the final file to confirm audio levels, transitions, and sync are correct. If you spot issues, reopen the project, adjust trims or audio gain, and re-export. If Capcut shows an export error or a clip stutters, try re-importing the problematic clip or set all clips to the same resolution and frame rate before exporting again. That usually resolves file mismatch problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.